What's up, my beautiful people? It's your boy Shalane here. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also share this video if you like. If you don't, keep grinding it back. You can watch it like that. But it's your boy Shalane here. And to my new viewers and new subscribers, I love y'all too. I appreciate y'all. Welcome to Shalane's World. I am Shalane, and this is, of course, my channel. I'm not really doing nothing, y'all. I'm actually just got done doing we're editing another video that one of y'all probably just seen, because I'm not putting it on the vlog that I'm editing. I hope y'all doing all right, taking care of yourself, washing your hands, washing your ass, doing everything in life you're supposed to do. I actually just got done doing some editing. I'm actually about to make some baked chicken, and I just wanted to come on here and talk to y'all for a minute, because I really ain't been really talking to y'all. I really just been working, and that's really it, y'all. That's all I be doing, just working. And if I ain't working physically, my mind working. So I consider that working, because I got a lot of shit I gotta do. I got goals and shit I wanna accomplish, and just a lot of stuff I gotta do, but I gotta be patient and just take everything as it is. So that's the keynote for today. Be patient. It's gonna happen. It's gonna come if you stay consistent. So yeah, and here go the baked chicken right here, y'all. It's been sitting in a brine. So it's been sitting in that seasoned water and seasoning and soaking and marinating and all that stuff like that. So I'm about to cut it up and get the bacon. I'm gonna set my oven to 350, and I'm probably having it in the oven for like an hour, hour and a half, maybe more, depending on how cooked I want it. And that's about it. So watch me work.
Your natural hair, your soft skin, and your big ass in that sundress. Your natural hair, your soft skin, and your big ass in that sundress. Your natural hair, your soft skin, and your big ass in that sundress.
I forgot the damn aluminum foil, y'all, so I had to go to the store. I just got back to the house now. I'm getting out the car, about to go in the house, y'all. I forgot the damn aluminum foil to cover up the chicken so I can cook in the oven. So I had to do a quick run, y'all. That's just what it was. I got the damn corn. Almost got about the corn, y'all. Of course, I got stuff that I shouldn't have got, so I ended up getting the aluminum foil. That's all I was going for. Then I ended up getting me an old fashioned. I love this brand On the Rocks. If y'all don't know about it, then don't even talk to me, because this shit is really, really good. And just some little mini Cheetos. I don't know, I never had them before, but I just thought it was something nice to snack on. So let me hurry up and wrap this chicken up.
dead in my eyes, I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy it. Whoa, she love me so much, it seems like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's 'cause they live and die high. Hey. 4S13, stepping on shit till it's pride. He brought me the money sealed up, I still had to count it, I cannot just hide it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the bank. Tell her to open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they look like a rainbow, that's 'cause the necklace of Frank. Her, whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the nines, do it. Breaking and bending the spines, do it, let's do it. I hate a privileged rapper that ain't had a hit since the signs, do it. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at me dead in my eyes, you see all the time that I had to go slide. Too many sticks, you go to war with whoever ain't never been biased. Too many sticks, I was there, your ops, and none of them died. Listen, hold up, hold up, hold up. Why you pull up at 1 in the morning and sit on the edge of the bed? What? Texting emojis till you got eggplant.
Thank you, Ava. If you see this video, I appreciate you. You're the best. But y'all need to go to her. She at Nail Bliss and Spa in Bridgeview, Illinois, just to let y'all know. And ask for Ava. She is cold as hell. Whatever you do in life, just try to be genuine to people no matter what. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we are human. Yeah, we're gonna make mistakes and shit like that. But just try your best to be genuine to people. Try to treat people kind. Try to be nice to people. You know what I'm saying? Because don't nobody like to get hurt. Don't nobody want to be hurt. You know what I'm saying? And that's like my word for the day. And whatever you do in life, just try to be kind to people, no matter what you're going through, no matter what, you know, people do to you, no matter what. Just try to still be kind to people, because you will get rewarded. You know, God sees all. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not perfect by far, but I try my best to be genuine to people. I try my best to not hurt people. You know what I'm saying? I try my best to do that. You know what I'm saying? And if I do that to somebody, I really am very, like, I feel so bad and hurt. You know what I'm saying? So just whatever you do in life, just try to be genuine to people. Try to be kind. You never know what people are going through. You never know what other people have been through in their lives and their past, and past relationships and past marriages and stuff like that. Just try it. And friendships and stuff. You just try to be kind and genuine to people no matter what. You know what I'm saying? Just try to be. I ain't about to be rumbling like that. Whatever footage I get, I'll definitely vlog it. I'll get as much as I can. I love y'all so much. I appreciate y'all. Y'all got some canes. Let's set this shit up. This shit is good as hell though. My cousin Maya put me on this shit. My niece and them eat this too. They stay out in suburbs, and I was wondering what she was talking about. And I know what she's talking about now, because this shit good. Good.
Maserati. Got it. I go to space with the stars. Might smoke a blunt with my pilot. Saturn, Moon, Earth, and Mars. NASA take off with the rocket. $500,000 on the necklace. Young rich niggas we successful. Say she wanna feel special. What? And Coco.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also share this video if you'd like to. Today is Sunday. I don't know the date, but today's Sunday, and I'm just chilling. See, I'm just drinking some wine. I don't know what the hell was I about to do. I ate breakfast, some sausage, some bacon, eggs, and grits. That's the bacon that's left, of course. I was just checking in with y'all. I really didn't want anything. You know, I had to just check in and make sure y'all was doing all right. Hopefully you're doing everything you're supposed to do in life and not let nobody get to you. I'm actually about to probably get, so I really didn't want nothing. I was just checking in. I went to Walgreens yesterday. I forgot I got a bottle of water. Got some water, and they had a couple of like items and stuff that were on sale. So let me show y'all right quick. Some bus. So I got some lotion. They had these lotions on sale. They're usually like $7 or $8, I think, but they had them like for like $4.49 and everything. So I got a lotion. It's some type of oat milk and almond. I don't know. It smells good. I don't know if it's feminine smelling or not, but whatever it is, it smells good. That's all I care about. And they had Shea Moisture, which I love this brand, Shea Moisture. This is the one I think is leaking. See all this stuff right here? But it was a body wash, Revive and Brighten body wash. I don't know if it's gonna do all of that. I'm sure it's just gonna wash you. And I got another one of those brands, like for the lotion that I showed you. This was a body scrub. So I got a little body scrub, Sea Minerals and Blue Iris. I don't know what the hell Blue Iris is, but you know, we gonna just see what it do. And I got another one. I got the body washer there too. So I got the body scrub and the body wash. And this is from Soapbox. So that's the brand that I got, Soapbox. And there go both of them items. And hopefully just some good stuff, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully don't agitate my skin and all of that stuff. I'm praying and hoping, because that is a horrible feeling. And I got some honey for my tea, because I drink tea every day. Well, except today, as you can see, but I drink tea every day, especially when I'm at work. It like gets me warmed up and started off for the day. I gotta have me some tea. I drink coffee, but only like special occasions, maybe like the weekend. I usually always feel like drinking a coffee on the weekends, or if I'm really tired, I need a coffee. But most of the day, 5 days a week, I've been drinking ginger and lemon tea. So that's just what it is. I love y'all so much. I appreciate y'all for subscribing. We made it to 100 subscribers, so I'm excited about that. Very excited about that. So yeah, so let's do a cheers to that, baby. And it may not mean a lot to y'all, but genuinely it means a lot to me. Like every subscriber, every comment, every like, you know, every view, it does mean a lot, you know what I'm saying? I don't let it overtake me, but it does feel good, you know what I'm saying? So I really appreciate y'all genuinely, you know, I really do. So let's keep this thing going. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, definitely, and share the video if you want to. If you don't, you can just keep coming back to it or whatever the case may be. Turn on your notifications, do the whole 9, because I am trying to give y'all footage, at least trying to do a vlog at least every week, because I do be busy. So I'm gonna try to always squeeze in time for y'all. So I love you so much, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
Line switching with the paint dripping. Turn your neck and your dime missing. Being slim, we ain't tripping. I'm finger flipping and syrup sipping like do or die.
What you used to, knowing exactly what you used to.